Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying core connectivity because most account errors are network related. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is enabled and showing a usable signal. You'll avoid chasing account settings. Restart your device and the router, then wait about 30 seconds before reconnecting, since DNS and DHCP refresh can clear transient faults. If you use a VPN, proxy, or airplane mode, turn them off now. They can block Google's authentication endpoints and cause the connection failure. Once basic restarts are done, isolate the problem by switching to a different network or creating a phone hotspot. If sign-in works, the issue is your original network. Next, clear the Google app or browser cache and update Google Play services or your browser because stale tokens block authentication. Make sure device time and date are correct, since SSL relies on them. Finally, inspect account security alerts or recent password changes. Mismatched credentials or flagged activity can prevent connections. To finish, remove and re-add your Google account or reinstall the problematic app. This forces fresh authentication tokens and usually resolves persistent errors. If that fails, perform a network settings reset on the device. Backup Wi-Fi passwords first, because corrupted network stacks can silently block services. As a final troubleshooting tip, if issues persist, try account recovery from another device and contact your ISP to confirm no ports or domains are blocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.